The Singer 9960. Singer 9960 Quantum Stylus. The Singer Quantum Stylus portable sewing machine has everything you need and more. Fulfill your creative dreams with a large selection of stitches including basic, decorative, and stretch stitches for clothing construction, quilting, home decor, and crafting. Its 600 built-in stitches include 5 alphanumeric fonts and 13 fully automatic one-step buttonholes with exclusive buttonhole underplate, mirror imaging, and stitch elongation with electronic autopilot options give you the freedom to customize your products. The threading machine is so easy that you can have the entire machine threaded from the spool to the needle's eye in just 60 seconds. The Singer 9960 sewing machine with the maximum sewing speed of 850 stitches per minute, projects can be sewn quickly. A variety of accessories are included with all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot with underplate, button sewing foot, blind hem foot, satin stitch foot, open toe foot, overcasting foot, darning and embroidery foot, rolled hem foot, cording foot, straight stitch quilting foot, even feed, walking foot. The Singer Quantum Stylus portable sewing machine. The Brother LB6800 PRW. Enjoy true versatility with the full range of 67 sewing stitches, comprehensive sewing functions, plus 4" by 4" embroidery design and editing. Easy view, backlit touchscreen, LCD display accesses all your stitches and designs. Creative embroidery designs options with 70 built-in designs, 120 frame combinations, and 5 lettering fonts. Computer connectivity to import designs purchased from iBroidery.com, other sites, or from your PC or Brother memory card. Comes complete with 4" by 4" embroidery hoop, 7 specialty sewing feet, designer rolling bag, USB cable, embroidery bobbin thread, soft cover, and more. Reliable, easy threading of both top thread and bobbin for even consistent stitching. One touch automatic thread cutter cuts your top and bobbin thread with ease. The Janome HD 3000. Janome HD 3000. Automatic needle threader. No more straining your eyes. Simply use the built-in automatic needle threader and throw your frustrations to the side. Jam-proof top loading bobbin system. It's easy to change your bobbin and there is no need to worry about running off the edge of your project because the bobbin system is jam-proof. Easy stitch selections. Adjustable pressure foot for pressure. Comes with an incredible amount of accessories. A hard case cover, ultra glide foot, 2 packs of leather needles, a pack of universal needles, a pack of bobbins, blind hem G foot, over edge C foot, rolled hem D foot, zipper E foot, buttonhole B foot. Also comes with the automatic buttonhole R foot, a pack of needles, screwdrivers, and more. Turn the dial with adjust the pressure foot, pressure allowing you to sew a wide variety of fabric thickness. Free arm capability. Sew pants, legs, and shirt sleeves with ease using the free arm. The Brother PE770 with expansive 5" by 7" field and backlit LCD display screen, you can enjoy ample space for larger designs and lettering. A combined designs with less rehooping. Easily view your designs and editing options on a large backlit display before stitching. 136 built-in embroidery designs and 6 lettering fonts. Designs include beautiful scroll walk, flowers, and quilt patterns, plus 10 frames shaped in 12 bordered styles. Troubleshooting steps are present on page 74 of the user manual. Virtually unlimited designs options with built-in memory. Import designs from your USB memory stick with the USB port or memory card designs with the built-in card slot. Store your purchased or custom edit designs to built-in memory for future use. Extensive design editing. You can rotate, mirror image, increase and decrease the size of your designs. You'll see how editing designs look on a large, easy-way view backlit LCD display before stitching. It's so reliable, easy threading on both top thread and bobbin. Juki TL 2000Q, right? Juki TL 2000QI. Updated with LED lights and one pedal operation, 1500 SPM for quilting apparel and home decor, automatic needle threader, aluminum die-cast arm and bed for low vibration operation, extension table included for wide work area. Juki's updated quilting and home deco machine. Powerful 1500 SPM machine, low vibration due to the aluminum die-cast frame and with automatic thread cutting, LED lights and one pedal control for speed and trimming system complement this semi-industrial sewing machine. Famous stitch quality with true drop free, used by many of the best quilters. The workhorse machine comes with an automatic needle threader, half-inch quilting foot, and even fed foot and extended bed table. Up to 12mm foot left, easily hems denim jeans.